Hello and welcome to another video here at Nature Affinity. My name is Seth, and on this channel we help others to align with the affinity of nature. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 ways to let go and trust the universe. Now, the first way to let go and trust the universe is to let go of what other people think of you. Completely let go of what anybody thinks of you, because you are not here to impress anybody but yourself. Now, with that being said, it's important to have compassion for where other people are and why they might be thinking a certain way or acting a certain way, but also understand that their opinions, they don't make you. So don't let them break you. Take it with a grain of salt. Just say, okay, I see where you're at. Have compassion for them and move on. It's the first way to let go and trust the universe. Breathing in the fresh air. The second way to let go and trust the universe is to embrace the unknown. A lot of people, they want to stay inside of a comfort zone. They don't want to experience the unknown because it's not, comfortable to them. It's not predictable. But quantum physics and modern science has shown that there's an uncertainty principle in everything. Our very reality is unpredictable in every moment in time, whether you perceive that you're inside of your comfort zone or not. Your reality is unpredictable. And really, embracing the unknown, getting comfortable with being uncomfortable, it's what we're here to do. Don't try to fit in when you were born to stand out. Now, the third way to really let go and trust the universe is to learn to flow like water in your experience. Water, when it's sitting in one spot for a long period of time, it gets stagnant. Without motion, water wants to flow. Just like your energy wants to flow, like that water. We are made up of mostly water. So, we are very fluid in nature. Everything is energy. Allow yourself to flow like water through your experience. Do not, when a block comes up, with water, a blockage in the path of the water persists and flows and finds a way through that blockage. It's 100% non-resistant substance. And therefore, given enough time, nothing can stand in the way of the water. Now, the same is true for a 100% non-resistant person. Nothing can stand in the way of your energy when you become fully non-resistant and embrace the process. Be in love with the process. And that leads right into number 4. The fourth way to let go and trust the universe is to have faith in that process and realize that when we worry about things, it balls up our energy. It constricts us. That's why we get so tense when we worry about things. You see, we worry about the worst case scenarios happening, and yet we could go the complete other way with this. and have faith in the best case scenarios happening. Like, what would you rather experience? The worst case or the best case? I think that's pretty much a no-brainer. You'd rather experience the best case scenario for your life. And so, have faith in the process. And really fall in love with the process. And enjoy where you are right now. Like, my fingers are freezing right now, but I'm loving it. Every minute of it. Because this snow ain't going to be around for much longer. I'm pretty excited for mountain climbing season coming up. We're right around the corner. Number 5. Follow your intuition. Now, what is intuition? Your intuition is your higher self speaking to you. It's that thought that you get right before, or it's that, rather, not a thought. It's that impulse that you get right before you start thinking. Before you start thinking, your higher self already knows. When you follow that guidance, and you really trust that intuition is not going to lead you astray, you let go of that analytical mind for a while, and you follow that voice, that impulse that says, go this way, do this thing. Like for me today, it was to come up here in the cold breeze on the mountainside. And this tree is so green behind me, I freaking love it. Number 6. Embrace the power of the present moment. This is where the magic happens, in the present. There's no time like now. If you think about it, what is, what was, and what will be is all now. Because what is, that moment of now, when what will be happens, it will be what is. If you follow what I'm saying. It will be what is. To embrace that moment of now, because the power is in the now. This is where the magic happens. When you fully immerse yourself in the present moment, you become grounded with the energy that is already flowing, the energy of the Mother Gaia, planet Earth. You become grounded into that energy stream, that flowing stream of Earth consciousness, as it were. And really, when this occurs, and you become grounded into that stream of consciousness, you let go and you trust in the process. Number 7. This one, I saved the best for last, because honestly, without this, everything else falls apart. You have to trust in yourself. You really have to trust in yourself. And that goes, like, it ties everything together. You have to have that belief and trust in yourself, that you know what your purpose is here, that you know what's best for you. Don't listen to anybody else trying to tell you what you want in life. Don't try to listen to anybody else telling you how to live your life. Live your life authentic to what you vision in your mind. And trust in that process. Because everything is consciousness. Everything is consciousness. Consciousness is the creator. We are consciousness, and therefore we are the creator of our own reality. And so, since we are the creator, we must awake from our self-imposed dream. And low battery. Womp, 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 womp. We must awake from our self-imposed dream and bring ourselves to the attention that we are the creator of our own reality, and we do not lead ourselves astray when we're tapped in and tuned in to this reality and this universal frequency. It's like Tesla said, everything in the universe is energy vibrating at a specific frequency. With that being said, I hope you found value in this video. Share it if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. We're out here in nature, breathing in the fresh air. I got the whiskey jacks chilling in the tree up here. I didn't bring any food for them, but I'll remember next time. Enjoy another beautiful day in paradise. Peace.